answer me. You just waka enter.
That one no concern me. I just want to know whether you dey office.
If na apologize you wan come apologize, that one no go work. E don too late. We don already pursue you comot Man U squad. That interview wey you do don pass I am sorry. By January, you go comot the club kpatakpata.
So you look me finish. Like this why I dey take enter this office. You think say I come apologize give you? Before that one happen, India go don carry World Cup back to back.
Then wetin you come my office come do?
So as I take enter, plus wetin I carry for hand, you no still sabi wetin I come do. Inside all this your molo, sense no still there. No worry, na bye bye hug and kiss I come blow give you.
Security!
Before anybody sabi as coach. Install for this club. You don dey carry ballon d'or when Rashford still dey suck him mama breast.
Oh my God!
You wan put inside match for dying minute.
Oga Morinho, Oga Sarri and Oga Lampard, una welcome to our first World Cup edition for this show.
Kobala.
Thank you.
Thank you, my guy.
How you there?
I dey fine, sir.
Kobala, as this one come be World Cup edition, why you carry this mumu wey in country no even fit qualify come your studio?
My viewers dey value your opinion, sir.
You hear Lam? Him talk say him viewers dey value my opinion. Jollof rice.
See this mumu, you get opinion? Wetin you get na useless mouth. Na even your boy wey dey jump and play PK for slow motion cause make una no qualify sef.
Una wey qualify. No be ordinary talk it up in a group. We make una go playoff.
No be the same playoff una play.
Make una stop this nonsense. Na World Cup we come discuss here. Make una no divert and go una useless argument.
I even happy say we no come safe. World Cup wey dem dey play for inside December. Na better World Cup be that. Where Hamatan go dey finish players for middle of desert. For this one, every 10 minutes, left go stop match for everybody to drink water.
Sorry, abeg keep quiet. Oh, World Cup na World Cup. Na because una no come, na im make you just dey talk all this one.
World Cup, wey half of the people wey person wan watch dey jolly. Because in the middle of season dem dey hold am. Half of France midfield no dey because of injury. Nkunku don follow dem join body. You wey dey here, where una fullback James and Chilwell dey? Na that Janus Washington wey carry Dada and Skywalker remain.
That one no go stop us from carrying the trophy.
You better back one side. Make we do this show in peace. Go house.
No, it must to end the violence, so go attack him as you take attack me for last show.
Abeg come up for here, Joe.
No problem. Last, I go make sure say we end this show with violence. Kobala, continue.
Oga Lampard, wetin be your prediction on who go qualify for Group A?
I foresee Netherlands and Senegal, but as Mane no go there for at least their first 2 matches. That Ecuador fit do Senegal strong thing though. Anyway, if Mane go dey fit for their 3rd match against Ecuador, I feel say Senegal go qualify. But if not, na Netherlands and Ecuador.
For Group B, Oga Sarri, who you think say go qualify?
Abeg, you ask me another group, Joe. That group na Laha group. Elan dey always come World Cup to come greet him fellow group members. Nice to be here. And the Wales wey never comes in 64 years, they come follow Bale to come play golf for Qatar.
There is God.
Okay, what of Group C?
That one better. But make we do I like say we no see Saudi Arabia for there.
God
I think
will
na
see
Mexico
us.
and Poland go qualify.
You smoke fermented ganja.
A whole South American champions.
That one na for South America. Na no sabi say Mexico dey always put sense for big things, Gale. And the Argentina no fit oppress Lewandowski and him minions. Kpata dem go draw.
Sometimes wetin dey comot for your mouth na felony.
Oga Morinho, what of Group D?
France go carry first and the remaining go do Hunger Games between theirself. The winner go follow France qualify.
Oga Lampard, Group E nko?
Na Spain and Germany, but Japan fit surprise them.
What of Group F, Oga Sarri?
Croatia and Morocco.
Ha!
Which one be her? And why they look me like that? See, make I tell you, Belgium golden age don't pass. Them no make use of them. Na fairly use products them they sell now, and them go continue their trophyless existence.
I know even the reason trophy. You say them no go pass group stage.
Yes, nah. Them no get fighting spirit reach even Canada.
Okay, oh.
For Group G, I feel say Brazil and Cameroon go qualify.
Kobala, you never talk wetin hold you and Cameroon for this life.
Leave am nah. You sabi whether in get friend na Cameroonian?
Okay, oh.
Oga Morinho, now you get the last one. Group H, who you think say go qualify?
Portugal and Ghana.
You know where?
Which one again? E no clear for the group again?
You don't forget say biting machine still dey Uruguay abi? The guy even dey commanding position now sef. I fit permit Ololo and im disciples to qualify yo, but you see Ghana ba? Na post-traumatic stress disorder go catch them from 2010 World Cup. Uruguay go drag them join body start dey go house. Na son and all those in twin blood that go proceed to the next round.